Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Now we are here at Carmen Bohol or Montesuerte Carmen Bohol. So the property we are selling, it is along Provincial Road, rough road. Pero gamay ra kay ning rough road guys. Only short rough road. Most of the roads on the property, going to the property, are concrete road, and this is the entrance. So this first lot is holding the provincial road is the 1 hectare. So 1 hectare tipak rata guys. The owner offer 1 hectare for sale. So mga nahitabo no, nilakaw ta pinadulhog because it is rolling terrain no. So this property is ideal for any use unsay mong gamitan. For example, you want to have a poultry or piggery, so pwede diha guys. Or you want to convert this into a mountain resort development, so pwede gyapon. So it can be. So next is you need to ask permission or permits from the barangay. Next is to the municipal. So permit kita before ta maka undergo mga development kamagid na. So again, as for me, the property is good for like this no, like a poultry or piggery or any livestock, bakahan o kitol. So good, pwede sa siya good, nindot kay siya no. It's a rolling terrain. So that is the situation guys no. Although I have observed man god mga developers kung gamon po ning subdivision, pwede sad siguro. So depende lang hapon guys no. We need to ask permission from the government. So kuan kita mo agi kita detail no. So mano sa guys no. But if you build a house, I think it's okay good kayo. So you can be allowed. So sagad magod when we say it's agricultural, their impression that they cannot build a house, it's only for agriculture. No, that's not true no. The government will allow no. This is like a drone video. So that is the situation guys no. There are coconut trees also. This is some parts of the second lot na guys. So the first lot is the one no, mana dya lapita going down no, dire. So here comes the second lot no, the 2 hectares. So nagsunod siya guys. First lot is the 1 hectare, the next is 2 hectares. So this is the surrounding. There are neighborhoods pero tos una gamay no. So this is ideal for those who don't want to have neighbors. So mana siya guys. So ito'y gustong dili walay silingan kini. So regarding the electricity signal is okay there guys. Water, you need to dig a well no. Although according to the owner, one of the owner on this property, that there was flowing water that was used for their rice field no. Kana may basakan ani sa unahan, there is a rice field. So wa ako nun ay hubas-hubas guys. You see the rice field. So mana siya guys no. Those palm trees are 7 hectares. So nagtapad na siya 7 hectares and 4 hectares. So mo na mo total of 14 hectares. So kita na to nga balay no, nearby no. So that is the situation of the property for sale at 80 pesos per square meter. Again, a total of 14 hectares at 80 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So pwede pa mahangyo So just give an offer lang guys. Pwede naman jud mo offer mo nga mao ninyong palit. So ana, that is your offer. So you try. You try lang, no? Yan ana lang. So kay nindot man ang property guys. Good for kuana. Good for what you call that? Livestock supply. So, pwede siya pang livestock supply. So makita gyud nato no, there are neighborhoods pero not on the property. So mao ni atong drone video guys. Nindot sad maklaro gyud no sa drone video. Kini guys mo na no, that is part of the property na mga lubi. There are coconut trees. So gidahon na nato no. So I'm alone on this time kay suhito naman ko guys. I know the property already. First the owners and the one of the guide no was with me. So itudluan ko nila diri guys. Walang if ever you are going to see the property, I know the property already. So pwede ra gyud kaayo magkuyog ta. So from here no, from this property going to town proper, mga 10 minutes drive ra guys. Dool raman 10 minutes drive. Then going to Tagbilaran, I think it's 1 hour. Then going to Tubigon, more or less nas mga less than 30 minutes drive. So mana siya guys no. So meaning the property is a buildable area. Pwede ra gid nimo matukuran. So as for me, this is good for a mountain resort development. Pwede sa siya gyud mountain resort development. So maayo kayo ang property. So 9 km from Danau Bohol. In Danau Bohol there are tourist destination like Danau Bohol Adventure Park na dito kanang magplang bitaw kanang murag hagbong ka tag 850 pesos per hagbong. So meaning mo enjoy ka adto nga nga kategory sa pag kanang gitawag nagplang kanang ihagbong bitaw kalit 800 pesos 850 pesos ang charge. Agihigtan man sad noon ka isa yung ka malaot. Yeah. Murabag ang imuhang stamina na murag may sukod. Pero high blood ta guys, di dyan pwede. Ay lang mo kapil-apil lang kay na ako no yung mga nakuyapan ana. So adto lang tas kanang murag rolling. So now we proceeded to the palm trees on the other side. So kini guys gatapad ning palm trees which is so this is the 2 hectares na guys no. Then the other side beside of the property is the 4 hectares mo na nga the first lot, second lot 3 hectares, first lot 1 hectare, second lot 2 hectares, then the third lot is nagtapad sila, they are adjacent no, which is 4 hectares kini may lubi kini pasaka. Then here is the kining palm trees. Kini nga side guys, mao na ni ang 4 hectares. Pasaka po na dito. So this is the 4 hectares na. So this one is the 7 hectares guys. So okay ra gyud kaayo. So manotice na to ang property which has the size of 7 hectares are palm trees. Then the others are kuan mo na to, other side po may 7 hectares po. So ana siya guys, ato yung gisubay balik. So again guys, the property we are selling is a total of 14 hectares at 80 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So just make an offer. So I think there are still available lots for sale no sa mga adjacent. Pero murag maorag yun ni ang naabot na mo. Because there was someone no, asking a big size, a big lot size. Oh. So na po yung nagkaplano ba, pero mamalagi na first come first serve ra gyud. Wala tayo gipuan sa makauna ra o bayad. So mo na nahitabo guys. So our kuan guys no is 26, almost 27 minutes ang atong video. So nag-rolling na siya guys. Although murag ikuyawan ko gamay kay ako ra magyong isa. Then I'm alone. Then sige lang, that is part of my job. Okay ra gyud. So there are cows no and carabao. May mga baka diya guys. Then ano guys, so this we are here at the palm trees na no. Then there is a portion of rice field po. This is the size of 7 hectares na diya ang 7 hectares mo na ni ang 7 hectares. So very nice yun ang property no, nag-rolling terrain yun guys. Although we can cut the all the palm trees, wala naman siya income. Palm trees has no naman proper income, barato kayo. I observe that it's really very cheap ang ilang palit. Although napo koy ako ang palm tree dito sa Ubay, so kating barata sa nga tanan yun mo na nga. So I think this is the reason why the owner is selling the property. Baligya na lang way kuan. So mana barato ra kayo gihapon ilang baligya. So mana guys, ato lang gipakita nga tong kagwapo diha guys. So notice nyo ako ra yung isa. Medyo layo ng lakaw guys, kini akong fracture sa akong tuhod, sakit-sakit na yun, although naka-support man ta. Sige lang, namin lang gini mangitag kwarta, hindi mahimo, bati lang yun. So there's another field no, kana diya dapita kana nga side. So ni proceed sa ta dito sa may basakan. Ato sang gilan taw no ang basakan. So after the basakan guys, or the rice field, we go back then proceed to the hill. So ato lang gilantaw ba. So this is really very nice, very quiet place. Di magkuani mo dire. It's really very quiet. So this is really good for retirement, no? May problema dire kay naalamin na game. There are already mountain resorts nearby. So nanay mga kanang gitawag Camp Ridge. Dool na dito ra sa Atbang. Naapoy isa katong gitawag nila Taytay Hills. Naapo na diha gyapon dapita guys. There's so many, no. So you can convert this like what they did, no. Ang sabi lang gihimo, mga pwede ra sad. So see, so atong gi-climb, we climb the other side of the mountain, one of the mountain, no. Ato na pong gi-climb. So this mountain is not too high, no, dili kay taas, but it's really a mountainous kind of property. Rolling magud siya. Then ato na pong gipalupag drone. So due to our drone nga gamay ra gid siya, so lang ato lang I think we used to have a drone video I think 3 times. First in the nearby the road, the second here. This one is the second. So this one guys, no, we are at 7 hectares area. So maato lang gidron. So kanang rice field, no, it's part of the property. See. So very nice during night time guys, or there are times nga mag-fogging gid guys, kanang mag-uwan na or nindot magod. It's really nice kay it's cool place na gid siya guys, especially at night time. So nindot diri for retirement yun, super kayo, no. So regarding the kay it's 14 hectares basin og mag mo, actually our land holdings is just only 5 hectares every Filipino. But if you are, for example, you are in husband and wife, 5 hectares, then you have 2 sons, awan na, or 1 son and 1 daughter, so wala na, kuha na ang 14 hectares. So if you cannot also take this all, so you can use friends also, pwede na po, mga amigo, or make a corporation, pamutang na sa inyong mga pangan. So nindot kayo guys. Rolling terrain. So these are all covered to our this property that covered to our video, no, mo gina siya. So I think dool naman gyud sa walking distance sa magyud dito, kay the first lot is for sale, then the second lot, then to the third and fourth. So nag-adjacent to sila. Pero it depends upon on you guys kung imo baning you can cut all the palm trees, but it depends upon, no, if you will cut all, you have no shade anymore. So wala na guys kasilungan. So pili-pilion lang sa siguro nimo. You need to choose lang, no, while growing other fruit trees. Palangitan butangan ba nimo, convert nimo og mango trees, or ba kay convert nimo mga mango trees area, or coconut trees, kato mga dwarf coconut trees, pwede ra sad, no. So depends upon, no, of our design or plans. So nagdepende ra gid guys. So hapit-hapit na mahuman nga itong video ni guys, no, kay kuha naman 19 minutes. So as for me guys, regarding the safety, para nako wala may kuyaw kay kadto ganing nag-drone ko diri gabi hapon na kayo. Yawan jud ko pero wala naman ko ka-notice nga naagi mga kuan. Kira gid kayo. So as for me, kira gid ang location. So right now we are climbing to the one of the other hill na pod sa property. So this is part of the property kining ni hill. So I noticed that there are two hills, no, sa palm tree and this one. So mana sa guys, pero actually the rolling terrain ra gini. So ano. So as you can see, no, the properties are adjacent and rolling terrain. So mao gyud na status sa property regarding the distance from the highway or from the provincial road. The property is along the provincial road. Then from the town proper, more or less nara sa mga 10 minutes drive or less than 10 minutes drive. Basta modagan lang po kagsakto. So the property again is really, as for me, is very nice. If you want to build a house, no problem. You can build a house on this property. So it's really good for retirement or livestock supply, goat farming, cattle farming, sa pa chicken farm, manukan, pwede kayo. Okay. So very nice property. So again, ang owner said, one of the owner told us, no, there was a flowing water on the property. So pero wala na ko kaabot dito guys, kay naaman daw dito sa kinaubusan. So naagid ko na way hubas-hubas na dito. So maori gyud na, no, daytime ni ari ko nag-fogging na diha, mga hapon, mga action na to gabi. So ano guys, no, taas na kaya tong video. So it depends upon, no, kung iba man ning kung anon shortcut lang. Basta mao na gid yung property guys, mao na gid na siya rolling terrain. Water, no problem. You can dig a well or digging a well ra gyud. So okay. Thank you very much. And just contact me. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So atong website www.propertyph.net, just type www.propertyph.net. Then when you see properties, you can select already Bohol, Cebu. So ano na guys. Okay. So kita na ta. Okay. So this is the road, no? Ulit na ta. So makita na to, ma-observe na to na sa unahan de gamay onwards there is already a concrete. Mubo ra gyud kaayo, no? Ang kuan rough road. So very short rough road. Then the next is concrete road. Then another rough road. So I don't know what's going on, no? Kasi nakuhaan na sa ni gamay budget ani, maniwa ni makumpleto. So nakibaw ba? Napaksitan gini sa kuan flood control. So mana siya guys, no? Pag yun, mubo na lang yun ang kulang. Makaduda ba? Pero sige na lang, ilam na. Mag-rally na rupit sa 21. So, wala no? These are the neighborhood. Agan man dire. Silingan. Ma-develop na magod ang lugar. The location is already developed. And there is a public school nearby. So, okay ra gyud kayo ang location guys. Although, as for me, kanang maka-develop ra gyud ka sa lugar kay murag I think it's not part of the protected area because I noticed there is a quarry, no? Quarry operation in that area. So na quarry dia pita. Kita man nato, no? So ano naka-quarry man na sila diha, meaning itugtan sila sa gobyerno o sa di. So okay ra to. Pagka-build ta, no? So mana siya guys. Okay. Thank you very much son. God bless to all. Daghang salamat mga amigo o amiga. Amigas, amigos.